Thank you.
You're welcome. We're going to welcome you with Dalmor,
I appreciate that.
one of the richest drink in the world. In America, in the States, it's about $16,000. It's about $25,000. Here we go.
Wow.
On the first stage.
Wow.
Then it comes this way.
Wow.
Amazing.
I'm going to be drinking it.
Yeah, sure. It's for you. It's your gift.
Thank you.
And it's come here. Then this way.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Where is it?
Here. We're coming. I'm coming.
You've not gotten to it yet.
No, we've not got into it.
Wow.
So you look at it.
Yes.
We're getting there. Then here you go. You there?
Wow. We finally got there.
Yeah, this is it. So you're welcome to Nigeria.
You say it's $16,000.
$16,000, yeah. In the States, it's about $25,000. Please, it's for you. Have fun.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I feel very welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.